Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today, we're diving into an essential accessory for anyone who relies on their Dymo LabelManager 280, the FASPKOW AC adapter. If you've ever found yourself needing a replacement power supply, a spare for the office, or just a reliable charger for your trusty label maker, then this review is definitely for you. This particular adapter is specifically designed for the Dymo LabelManager 280, model 1815990 LM280. It's crucial to highlight this because while some generic listings might mention broader compatibility with smartphones or laptops, this FASPKOW unit is precisely engineered to meet the power requirements of your Dymo label printer. Its output and connector type are tailored to ensure optimal performance and safety for that specific device, not a general-purpose charger for other electronics. One of the standout features is its universal input voltage, ranging from 100V to 240V at 5060 Hz. This means it's ready for use almost anywhere in the world, making it incredibly convenient for those who travel or work in different locations. You won't need to worry about voltage converters, just a simple physical plug adapter if you're abroad. Safety is clearly a top priority with this FASPKOW adapter. It comes with international quality certification, assuring users that it meets stringent industry standards. Beyond that, it incorporates numerous safety mechanisms. We're talking robust protection against short-circuiting, overvoltage, overcurrent, and even internal overheating. This comprehensive suite of safeguards provides significant peace of mind, knowing that both your Dymo LabelManager 280 and your electrical system are well protected from potential issues. The manufacturer also includes a helpful note, advising users to check the DC socket type, power consumption, and polarity of their device before ordering. This attention to detail is commendable, as it helps prevent potential problems or damage, ensuring you get the right fit for your specific Dymo unit. Finally, the after-service commitment from FASPKOW is impressive. They offer a 12-month guarantee and friendly customer service. Should any issue arise with the product, they are prepared to happily accept returns, resend a replacement, or provide a full refund. This level of customer support adds significant value and confidence to the purchase. In conclusion, for Dymo LabelManager 280 owners seeking a reliable, safe, and specifically designed power supply, the FASPKOW AC adapter appears to be an excellent choice. It delivers consistent power, prioritizes safety with multiple protection features, and is backed by solid customer service, ensuring your label maker is always powered up and ready for action.
Check out the video description for updated price. And thank you for watching this video.